Okay, what I have here is a large tray of clusters that are uncleaned, and many of them have rehealings and damage. That is the reason I did not clean these. I did not deem these good enough for my auctions. I get requests for this low-end material all the time. I mean, you can tell these would look really nice cleaned, but they're not quite the quality that I list in my auctions, so I don't clean them. I usually sell these locally, but I'm going to give it a try putting up a tray of these on the internet. You can see there's a chip right here, broken point down there, and that's really the reason I haven't listed these. There's a broken point right there. They grade from B to AA in quality. They'll be quite nice looking when they're cleaned, but they just aren't, the quality that I need for my auctions. You can see some of these still have some clay that needs to be washed out. You can tell these will look, pretty nice. I just don't want you to mistake and think that these are, real high quality pieces, because they're not. These are my leftovers. This is why so many of the ones in my auctions are of such nice quality. It's because I only pick out the real fine ones for my auctions. And the rest of these, probably 60–70% of what we mine, I don't think are good enough for auctions. So I don't even bother cleaning them. I just sell them, uncleaned. I know there's a lot of people out there that have a lot of fun cleaning crystals. So I figured I'd offer these up, and if anybody wants them, go for it. If I don't get a good enough price for them, then I'll just start selling them locally again. But I imagine these will do pretty good, considering the amount of people who, requested that I list some of my lower end unclean material. This one right here is actually pretty nice. It's just got this bit of rehealing back here on the back side of this point. It's a pretty nice cluster. All of these are from Avatar Crystal Mine, formerly known as Arrowhead. Mine was sold about a year ago, and the new owners renamed it Avatar Mine. You can see the reason I didn't list this one is because the tip of the largest point's rehealed, and there's also a point right here that's broken off and rehealed. You can tell it's rehealing because you can see there's iron over it. If that was man-made or done by us digging it, that would not have iron on it. It would be a real clean break. And these have come clean pretty easy for me. I haven't even had to cook them. I've just cold soaked them in acid to get them clean, and they usually come clean in 2 or 3 days. This is a really, really nice cluster, but it's got this big rehealed piece here, and then each of the 2 largest points have chips on them, and that's why I did not clean this one and attempt to auction it.